Hello everyone, welcome back to EQ Markets Global YouTube channel. And today we're going to be looking at the Euro USD. It's very significant. We look at the Euro USD because of a whole lot that is happening and more like an opportunity that it's yet to present itself. All right, talking right behind the screen is 𝗘𝗨𝗥𝗏, the head market analyst and trainer for EQ Markets Global. If you're new to this YouTube channel, please do also subscribe to this YouTube channel and stay up to date with every information that we're bringing your way. All right. So last week's NFP actually was dovish for the dollar, and of course that made the dollar to gain massive strength. And of course, in cases where it was a code currency, we had the massive sell of more like the EU, the GBP USD, the AUD USD, and the likes, okay, because it had a whole lot of strength. All right, but that bearish momentum had since last week Friday seemed to continue even up until today, just like we can see here. And of course, we're going to look at that effect of that push, all right, causing a bearish momentum on EU, and where exactly we expect that Euro USD will be going in the next hours to come and also in the next days to come. Of course, don't forget we've always made analysis on EU every single Monday, all right? But today, this is a special analysis for it because of the opportunity we're expecting on it. All right, so yes. We've seen Euro USD enjoy this massive sell-off up until when there was a break of structure here. As you can see right here, there was this break of structure, okay? I mean the structure, the trend line. And of course, there was the retest here. You can see that. And of course, after that retest, then we continue to see a bullish movement on Euro USD. The question is the bullish run over? Is Euro USD going to sell? If it's going to sell, where is it going to sell to? Or is the buy over completely? All right, these are the questions that we want to answer this afternoon. All right, so the buy is not over. All right, the buy is yet to begin. All right, in my own analysis. Okay, so NFP only strengthened the dollar. Okay, and of course that strengthening of the dollar is going to be short-lived. Okay, it simply means that we will continue to see more devaluations of the dollar most likely, and of course we're going to see continuous bullish pull on Euro USD. So this is what my take is. There is this break of structure telling Euro USD is already going, and then of course I can find this nice trend line. All right, so I had to draw this trend line, taking it into cognizance, particularly this level here. All right, taking into cognizance this level here. All right, and of course also there was a break of structure. All right, it was a support here, a break of structure, retest, and then there was also another break of structure. Then we had continuous retest up until this moment where Euro USD seemed to be falling off. All right, so in the coming hours, this is what we will be expecting on Euro USD. Right, this zone is in an area to watch out. Okay, this is a very good area to watch out, and of course I'm talking about the 1.07105 price level. All right, 1.07143 or 150 price level is an area that we need to watch out on Euro USD. So this is my take. If you want to trade Euro USD, if you're just finding this video right now, all right, or you can find this video in the next 1 hour, 2 hours, this analysis is still very much valid. Now, why I said this area is very significant for Euro USD is this. All right, so yeah, the bullish momentum rather is going to continue. Don't forget, like I said earlier. So right here was a resistance zone. Right here was a resistance zone, and then of course here we had the break of structure. All right. So this is only going to be more like a retest. Okay, already prices is obeying this trend line that has been trending for a while now. If you watch it closely on the 4 hours time frame, right, you can see that prices had been obeying this trend line. All right, so this is resistance, I mean supply, break of structure, and then this zone is still going to act as a demand zone. All right, just to buttress more, just to add more flavor to that, so we can find more confluence or more confirmations as to why we should be looking out for a buy on Euro USD. Of course, we see that the commodity channel index is trading below the negative 100 level, showing you that there is bearish momentum. But of course, in the coming hours, 2, 3, 4 hours from now, we most likely will be expecting a shift in these dynamics. Okay, and of course, if we're watching this on the H4 time frame, most likely in the next 2, 3 candlesticks to form on the H4 time frame, we'll be expecting a shift in these dynamics. All right, so if of course the CCI price level begins to trade above the negative 100, all right, above the negative 100, and then of course we see that happening just on this demand level, then that's a good buy for us. All right, so what are we basically, where we're basically expecting prices to come to? I will be showing you that. So most likely we might be expecting prices to come back into this zone, which is 1.09149. All right, and beyond that level, we're going to see also the highs of 1.10207. I mean, this particular area. So here we can have our first tick profit, and here we can have our second tick profit. And of course, we would most likely want to use a very tight stop loss if we have very good entry to the market. And so perhaps we can be looking at a stop loss around 1.060609. And of course, don't forget, our entry level is somewhere around this demand level, okay, this demand zone here, which is 1.07307 or 1.07044. So within this level, if we are having our stop loss, that's more like 56 pips, and then our first take profit is about 198 pips. That's more like 1:4, 1:4. And of course, to our take profit too, that's about over 300 pips. That's like 1:6. I mean, this is massive and awesome. All right, good luck, guys. I wish you more profits in your trade signals, and I hope this video really helps you. All right, thank you so much for staying. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we post educative contents just like this one. See you.